What's up, boys? Welcome back to the channel. It's Noah again. Today I'm going to do a video on this new optic that I just got. It's a Holosun 507 comp. I'm going to do a little unboxing, then I'm going to slap it on the pistol and show you guys how it looks compared to what I have on it now. If you guys support the Second Amendment and you want to help out a smaller YouTuber, go ahead and leave a like and a sub, but if not, it's chill. Enjoy the vid, boys. So this is the optic that I have right now on my Glock 45. This is the Glock that I use for USPSA competitions. Right now I have the Holosun 407C X2 red dot. It's a pretty decent red dot, and it's given me no problems, but I've wanted something just a little bit more, with a little bit bigger of a window to see through, and something that's more known for competition. Not saying this is a bad red dot, I'm just upgrading. So let's take a look here. Just picked this up from my local shop, and I'm gonna see what all it comes with. I did open this just to look around at it, but this is pretty much how it was. So I got some foam here, user's manual, very nice. Holosun registration. We got a little wipe down cloth, silica gel, have some screws here. This is the little Holosun optic tool that every optic comes with. This is like my fourth Holosun, so it pretty much comes with all the same stuff. So here it is, boys, the Holosun 507 comp. Huge window, awesome. Let's take a look, just see comparatively to the one I have now. Oops. So you can tell right away which one's more beefy. It might look a little dumb on the 45, but that doesn't matter to me. It's going to be a little bit bigger for sure. See the window sizes. Oh yeah, the thing's huge. Cool. All right, I'm gonna slap this on. I would show you, but YouTube doesn't like it, so I'll be back in a second. All right, we're back, boys. Sorry if the camera looks a little bit different. I had to take the phone off, but here it is, man. Holosun 507 comp, reporting for duty. It looks big on the Glock 45. Well, it's basically a Glock 19 slide length, so it looks kind of big, but look at this window, dude. It's massive compared to the 507C. Yeah, this is the optic that you want to go with. Although, this is mainly for competition. This is more of a rugged optic for like your duty pistols. My dad's a cop and he uses this optic on his duty pistol. So this one's going to be a little bit more durable. This one is for competition. This one's not for, you know, being out in the fucking streets of LA, whatever, you know what I mean? But yeah, this is it, boys. What do you guys think? I think it looks pretty cool. The big, like, it looks big, but I think it looks cool. And I can't wait to try this thing out. I'm going to be taking it to the range tomorrow to get it sighted in. And yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments. Leave a like and a sub if you guys want to see more of this kind of content. And so that way when I do post a short or another video updating on the progress or shooting it, you guys know. But yeah, love you, boys. Say it back.